Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are in the world. This is Teacher Evelyn. I'm saying mabuhay to everybody out there. And today we are going to study something different. Okay, our topic for today is differentiation between past continuous and present perfect continuous. So both are continuous, but the other one is actually an extended action in the past, but again, it finished in the past. So the other one is actually an action that started in the past and still happening at the moment of speaking and might continue until the near future. Okay, so let's see. Past continuous is the extended action in the past. Let me give you an example. We are going to use when, and we are also going to use while so that it is clear. But let me also just be very clear here. We use when to actually highlight a past simple, which is an interruption, but we use while to highlight the extended action or the prolonged action. All right? So let's say, for example, I was waiting for the bus when it rained. When it rained. So it rained is your past simple following when. So I can also say, while I was waiting for the bus, it rained. While I was waiting. So while followed by your past continuous. So the extended action is always next to your while. Okay. Now, just be very careful when you use the when at the beginning of your sentence, the same as while, you need to make sure that you separate it using a comma. Okay? So when is your dependent clause. That's why it needs to be separated from the main clause. So, when it rained, I was waiting for the bus. While I was waiting for the bus, comma, it rained. Okay? So I hope that is clear. Now, what about the present perfect continuous? We use our present perfect continuous to talk about something that started in the past and still happening at the moment of speaking. So let's say, for example, I've been teaching for almost 3 decades now. Or, I've been teaching since 1994. See, I have been teaching since 1994. I've been working on this project for 8 days now. So I'm still working on the project, but I started 8 days ago. So it's still happening at the moment of speaking and might still get extended for a few more days. So I've been working on this project for 8 days now. Okay? So just be very careful when you're using your present perfect continuous, because it actually is highlighting something that is happening for quite some time. It started in the past and still happening at the moment of speaking and might still continue in the future. But the past continuous is also using the ing, but it means to say it only extended for a period of time in the past. It's no longer happening at the moment of speaking because it's actually just an extended action in the past. Okay? So the form of your past continuous is actually just subject plus was or were plus verb ending in ing or your present participle. Now, the form of your present perfect continuous, you have your subject plus has or have plus been plus the verb ending in ing. Again, if you're going to use your past continuous, you can use while followed by your ing or your past continuous. You can also use when followed by your past simple. Okay? I was cooking when my phone rang. While I was cooking, my phone rang. So see the difference? That's how you use your past simple and your past continuous using when or while. So please answer these questions if you understood the lesson. Okay? So thank you very much. Once again, here are your answers. I hope you guys like this lesson. And please like, share, and subscribe. And if you can leave a comment, much appreciated. And I hope you guys learned something new today. So once again, this is Teacher Evelyn saying good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world. Mabuhay! Ciao!